Hey, it's Steve again, your local real estate expert with the Lawton team. Today I'm going to take you through this home. It's in a good area on the east side of Tucson near golf links in Harrison, with plenty of shopping and everything 5 minutes away, and about 15 minutes from Davis-Monthan Air Force Base. So really good location, very nice neighborhood, and no HOA in this place. This home is a fixer-upper, so it does need a little work, but I wanted you to check it out just to see what's out there. So no HOA here, and this is a pretty nice neighborhood. Like I said, the area here, golf links in Harrison, really nice part of town in East Tucson. You got mountain views and pretty quiet over here. As I said, this one is kind of a fixer-upper. They did do some painting and stuff, but so not a major reno job, but it could use some love. They've got laminate flooring throughout here, and this is kind of like a split floor plan where you have, you got like a kitchen and living area up there, and then of course you have like more of a formal living room over here, as you can see there. And before we head into the kitchen, we're right here at the beginning. If we turn to the right, we're going to go down the hall and check out the bedrooms and stuff. This is just a basic linen closet there, and you'll have the guest bathroom right here, immediately out to your left. I'm trying to stay out of the shot. That's a standard shower tub. It's a plastic single unit. It is tile through there. It's like they've done some updates in this place. They put some fresh paint on it before they listed it. And then straight ahead, that'll be bedroom number 2. We'll step over here to the right to begin with. And this one is actually a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. Sorry, I missed the light. 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, approximately 1,700 square foot. And there's the first bedroom, and as you can see, they're missing some minor stuff there, like a closet door and things. The blinds are older. I mean, they're older style of sideways folding blinds, and this room is fairly small. It's probably about 8 by 8, I'd say. It does have a ceiling fan. It needs some wall work. So a lot of it's touch-up minor stuff as far as the work goes. Could be a good office. Straight across, it's bedroom number 2. Similar size. This one was kind of interesting. Just has a closet there with no door. It looks like they have some curtains on it. And again, these windows open out to the side yard, which we'll get to here. And this door actually goes to the garage. They do have so there's nothing there. They do have a bookcase sitting there, but it actually opens directly into the garage, so maybe this would actually be the better office. And since we're there, we're going to poke our heads out there. You can see this door needs some work. You definitely need some drywall and stuff painting up there. So this is a 2-car garage. They do have some cabinetry and things. Still needs to be kind of finished on the ceiling to make it real nice. You got your washer, dryer, and water heater. Little workshop area. But yep, pretty standard 2-car garage. So walking down, if we look to the left there, that was where we came in. So just to give a point of reference, that was bedroom number 3 here, straight ahead. This one is a little bit bigger. So it does They did some stuff in these places, but I could definitely use some love. Same with the flooring. It's in pretty good shape, but just like the transitions and things, not quite square. It's minor stuff. You got a linen closet in the hall. And then here's the master bedroom. So they got this laminate flooring here, and then they have tile that goes into the bathroom, and then they have a different style of laminate flooring there. Looks like it originally had carpet, as you can see in the closet there. Like I said, this one's definitely a fixer-upper. And these are all standard 8-foot ceilings. So for homes this age, you know, here's a bathroom. This is actually the master bathroom, so it's not huge. It does have a walk-in shower. It's tiled. Let's go back down the hall here. This is the entryway, and this goes back out to the kitchen and like kind of dining area. So this is an interesting kind of little layout. As you can see, the cabinets, they look older, maybe original with the house, but they are functional. You have a gas cooktop here, and I do not see, oh, you do have an oven. So you have a dual oven there on the side. So it's separate. It's a large island there. And that's kind of this might be where your couch and TV go, or maybe a formal dining area, because you do have it split off from the front area there. You have this wall there. These two doors, which lead me to believe that this might have been an add-on, that most likely, at some point. This might have been a porch, and then they added it on, because these were probably double sliding glass doors. So they have like a separate area here. And I'm guessing they kept that wall because it's load-bearing. So let's check out the back. So the door comes out to the side. So this, again, needs some work on this stuff. Needs some love. So that's the street side. So this yard is kind of interesting too. It's a wraparound. And it probably needs some work done up here. This is like a metal, like, porch that they kind of put together. So it's actually a pretty good sized lot. It's just a different configuration. So you don't have much room from the back of the house to the wall. You probably have about 15 feet right here. And then this gate, that opens up into the back alley where you'll put your trash. In the city of Tucson, they take care of the trash for you, and this is pretty standard to have an alleyway in the city behind the property, which is good because it does give you a little bit of separation from the neighbor. Nice tall wall there, and then that's a good size area. You could literally put a pool over here. Definitely enough room for a pool. Let me put my head over the wall and give you a shot of the alley. So that's kind of what it looks like. That's where the garbage truck will come pick up your trash. This is a pretty standard layout for Tucson within the city limits. You got your electric and stuff out back here. And we're walking back around. There's that gate.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you haven't already done so, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel to see more great videos in this series. Also, be sure to head over to stevedooley.com right now. You can learn more about Steve, and you'll have the opportunity to schedule a one-on-one call so we can answer all of your real estate questions. So be sure to head over to stevedooley.com right now. I put a link in the comments below. You can just click it right below, whether you're on your phone or on the desktop. Super easy, and go check it out and schedule your call with us today. Thanks for watching.